Welcome back again. Today I will show you how to automatically generate schema markup for your website using SchemaEngine AI and navigate to the plugins to add a new plugin. Then upload plugin, and for choosing file, select your exactly zip file that you downloaded for this plugin. After completing installation, activate this plugin on your website. Once the plugin is activated, open the SchemaEngine AI settings panel from the WordPress admin menu. Inside this settings page, start by configuring the basic site information. Here you can define your website details, organization information, and other essential schema settings. Next, add all of your business or brand social media profiles URLs. Then sub-organization to provide information to a Google Knowledge panel. Next, corporate contacts. This area allows you to assign the appropriate schema type to different content types on your website. You can select post, page, or products for automatic schema generation, and then choose the schema type, for example article. But for the products, we need to select product as schema type and then enable auto generate for automatically generate schema with AI based on the site information. Next, navigate to the AI settings. From here you can enable AI to generate schema automatically. Then for the API configuration settings, provide the API provider and enter your API key according to your API provider. Then click on Save to update it. If you further want, you can keep auto generate option enable or disable. If you enable this, reset and rerun auto generation option will be available. If you click on this link, the auto generation progress will be updated in every few seconds, so that you can track auto generation progress here. Now it's done. Let's back to the post and reload it first. Let's click on here to edit, where you can view AI generated schema for each post, and this is an appropriate preview of how your page appears in the Google search result. Let's move to the generate with AI. You can see the result. Your schema is valid and search ready. Now we will verify whether the generated schema is eligible for Google Reach results. Google will crawl the page and analyze the structured data available on that URL. After the test completes, you can see that the page is eligible for rich results. The detected schema types and validation status are displayed on the screen. You can also expand the detected schema details to review the generated structured data and verify that everything has been implemented correctly. Next, return to there. In addition to automatic schema generation, SchemaEngine AI also provides AI-powered schema creation features. Here you can see the FAQ schema section. Instead of manually creating FAQ schema, this plugin can generate it automatically using AI. Simply provide the content context and use the AI generation option. Once the test finishes, Google now detects the FAQ schema successfully. The reach result eligibility status remains valid and the newly added FAQ schema is also recognized. You can inspect the generated FAQ items directly inside the reach result test to verify the structured data output. Now return to there once again. The generated FAQ entries are fully editable, so you can modify your questions or answer before publishing. Review the generated FAQs, make any necessary adjustments, and ensures that the content accurately reflects the information on your page. The structured data is now embedded on the page and ready for search engine indexing. And that's how you can automatically generate, manage, and validate schema markup using SchemaEngine AI. Thank you for watching today's new tutorial.